Hello everyone, this is Lisa speaking from Power Wheelchairs for Success. Today we're going to do a little bit of measuring. I'm in my bedroom and we're going to talk about measurements, which they might ask you anytime that you request or begin to work with your therapist or a doctor or call a company to talk about power wheelchairs. So I have my measuring tape here and I'm going to go to my door. Usually doors in newer buildings are 32 inches or more. And in older buildings, they can be 28 inches or a little bit less. So your wheelchair, I'm going to measure my wheelchair. To the widest point, it is 25 inches. So, 28, 25, that's a pretty tight door frame. So I'm going to go measure my main door and tell you how much this is. I'm in a special building, of course. It's an assisted living. So this door is much wider on purpose. But let me go check and I'll come back and tell you. Hold on. All right, so my door measures 35 inches. So that gives me plenty of room to get through. My wheelchair, again, if you remember, is 25 inches. It is widest point. So that is really important to keep in mind how wide are door frames or where you need to go through. The best thing for bedrooms or any location in your house is to have 3 feet of distance between objects. So my bed, I'm going to turn you around and show you my bed is 3 feet from the wall. How I get to my computer, which is over there. And I'm going to show you kind of the space that I created in this room to make sure I can get through with my wheelchair without crashing against things. So that's really important not to scrape or bump into or run into objects or walls or door frames. So you gotta make sure that you understand measurements in your home, how wide they are, and to make sure you have 3 feet between objects. All right, so let me just turn you around and show you what it looks like in my bedroom. All right, so this is my bed, obviously, and this is the wall. So there is 3 feet of distance between my bed and the wall. I don't know if you were able to see that. So there we go. So there's 3 feet there, and I can get my wheelchair. Sorry, just moving around here. So I can get my wheelchair in between the wall and the bed, even if there's an air conditioner there. With the cover on, I can still get through just fine. So now I'm going to back up here. And I'm going to turn you around. So hold on. There we go. So here's my recliner. Back up here a little bit more. And there's plenty of room. There's about 6 feet between my recliner and this wall. So I can get through just fine. This is a desk I don't use. I just have the TV on it, so it's an extra desk. What I really use, and this is my dresser, it's pretty accessible. The higher drawer is a little hard to get to, but I can still get through and get to all my drawers. I'm going to move this chair out of the way. Hold on. All right, so this is my computer. You'll see it here. I just need to not point at the window there. So this is there's plenty of room. There's like 4 feet. This is a fold-up table. So I can fold it up, move it anywhere in my room. It's lightweight, but it's sturdy enough to hold up this computer, which is where I usually do all my YouTube recordings, and there's plenty of room for my wheelchair. So there is between my little table here and my recliner and the dresser, there's about another 6 feet. So I've made sure that I can get through with all the furniture I have. So that's really important. Again, minimum 3 feet so that you can get through with your wheelchair, whether it's manual or power. Power wheelchairs are usually wider. They're 25 inches or more. They can be up to 28. Manual wheelchairs, same thing. They can be anywhere from 25 on, depending on the weight of the person. So again, it's really important to know 3 feet between objects so you can get through with your wheelchair. There's no rule to it. It's just that it's convenient, it's practical, and you would have to figure out how that will work for you. My bed is 20 inches high. So it's a low bed, but that's on purpose in case I fall and I need to get back up, that I can do that. So 20 inches high. This seat over here is 17 inches. I've already measured it, so it's 17 with some junk on it, but the seat is 17. So I can also get up if I needed to. So furniture is also important to consider. My recliner is 18 inches from the floor to the seat. So having low furniture or at an appropriate height in which you can transfer comfortably, and if you fall that you can get up, whether it's a bed. I wouldn't do a bed more than 20 inches for myself. I'm a short person, so I'm only 5 feet. So if I do fall, I need lower furniture. Some people are a little bit taller, and they could have a taller bed or a taller recliner. Sometimes height is really important to be able to stand up or, to be able to transfer. Some people can put a little weight on their legs and transfer that way. So you got to figure out what is going to work for you. This chair over there, I think, is about 17 inches. So it's pretty low. I can transfer comfortably. So this is my room. This is the bathroom, which you already saw. The door measures exactly the same as the main door. So between the closet and the wall, there's probably 5 feet. So I can get in and out. I can actually do a whole loop with my chair, like this. Yeah, just fine. Plenty of space. So when you are thinking of arranging a room, think about that. Think about the distance between one piece of furniture and the other. Living rooms, the best thing is to have And I'll show you my living room looks different because we do meetings there, so the chairs are arranged differently, but we will do that. At some point, I'll do a video on that and show you that there is 3 feet or more between rows of furniture, and then we'll take a look at the kitchen. So I might just do those together. We'll see. Anyway, if you have any ideas or suggestions or measurements that work for you the best, please put some comments down below. Or you just want to share about your bedroom and what you've done to make it comfortable and accessible for you, please feel free to do that. All right, and any questions you want to post, please do. Take care. See you in the next one.